people, my name is Saul Sanchez and
Hi, my name is Andrea. We are students from Universidad EXI. We are going to talking about technological distribution techniques and
COFAT and other techniques to the distribution of plan in the enterprises.
Hi, it's me again. We are going to talk about technical distribution technology. It's so important to recognize that there must be an adequate flow in a production plant. The flow represents range from informations, materials, raw materials, and others. About technology group, it involves developing a codec system components that are part of the products manufactured by the organization. So it's possible to simplify the determination of the root of each part of the process, reduce the number of components to design, grouping parts in families with similar characteristics, facilitating process more efficient standards, and assign each family of parts to different manufacturing steps.
In this video, we see the modeling design for model a food factory where the initial story method starts with CRAFT followed by continuous improved COFAT. Okay, so the improving the existing layout using COFAT improving algorithm. Here the current layout is improved by exchanging section and machine position. The machine-wise improvement considers individual machines arrangement and use in this more detailed that section with improvement. To utilize in this occasion CRAFT algorithm in the programs to office in the major demand of the world. In program has been employed in the industries and the internal industries for departments in this case. And so thanks to them, facility and section information like facility dimension, length and width in my area, the study of implementation system, area of each section from to flow and chart and cost matrix to transport, the amount of material are filled into the add program. The program sees the number of the cells of each section in the Excel spreadsheet according to the scale select. One cell represented on 1 meter quads. Okay, the actual arrangement in field manually mixing this actual relative position of section and machines in this part put so exactly in this period the COFAT algorithm with rectilinear distance used in the cost and individual layout is calculated with the following area. So exactly the transport in my area of story is transport cost in calculate from the operation cost of overhead crane used between raw material storage and forward sections, and cars in the rest of the section. Using this formula, the cost of the initial layout is automatically calculated in as 4.88 euro per month. So an improved layout in this develop or uprint this case for COFAT improved algorithm and exchanging machine section representative a number on Excels in the acquisition in as the results the analysis revelate that the improved method reduces material handling costs about as 25% or 30% as compared to the initial cost incurred in the existing layout in the enterprise for my story method. The other methods to SLP is the sequence analysis of BUFA. This method consists in facility layout. In this exercise, we need to observe buildings. In the Circle A, lecture buildings. In the Circle B, library. C is according to Storing Hall, D Concert Hall, E and F Aula Maxima, and Student Services. So this according to this video, the methodology in sequence is consists to the format, and in the step 6, development of the tile layout, where materials handling system, storage system, auxiliary system, and ultimate impression distribution finally an inspiration set. And first, the method developed by BUFA was born in 1955, can be considered a precursor of SLP. It may be established with the many similarities, the producer and described in Santa Maria in 1995. So this consists to a stage, from stage 1 to stage 6, because this is a elemental structure for the data collection in these recopulation areas in the organization for method of story. So in the stage 1, a study of the process, data collection concerning activities and tools of these parts, organization of this data is routes maps, analysis of records of the product system. In this video, to step 2, determination of sequence of operation of each piece and development of the table with the information. These are many words sequence summary. So step 3 consists to determination of monthly loads transported between different departments and the process. This information is collected in the table called table of transportation changes. In other words, load summary. Step 4, find the ideal relative position of the different workplaces. For is the schematic diagonal ideal is used to in the board of the personal recursions. So stage 5, development of the ideal of Shelby block diagram, in which different departments and occupy their corresponding alleys in which interdevelopment relationships are shown. This is a similar comparison in the stage areas. In the strip 6, this case, according to the model, is the flow matrix and in the spec in this video. So we can observe the matrix and the other numbers called A and F number and F letter. In the numbers of the matrix linear consist to making triangulated so flow matrix. Finally, the sequence is to introduce to the for one cap and one stage. So stage 1, first matrix, stage 2, second matrix, and continues to the order of sequence of the SLP method according to making triangular set to aggregate flow matrix in the BUFA.
Shake it down.
Espérate que me escriba.
Güey, ¿qué te pasa?
Hola Pablo, puedes bajar. Aquí estoy en la P, en el primer piso,
Toma,
ahí en las
1534
tienditas.
rueda.
Listo, ¿vale? En las tienditas. Ven a las tienditas, no salgas de la P, ¿vale? Que estoy grabando video. Hi, my name is Andrea. We are students for UNAM.
Es difícil, marica, es que es
Cuando traes technique,
and Kofat, and we are going to talking about the. ¿Qué haciendo? Es que me fui por otra vuelta.
okay guys, we hope you enjoyed this video.
And see you later in the next video. No, Tacho.
Thank
Tacho.
you. Esto me-
Sobre Kofat and other Kofat. Y ahí cerraríamos. Ahí cerraríamos.
Rosa tu vida.
Siente el sabor. Hey guys, my name is Saul Sanchez.